Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I believe you all are doing well. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys the few things I got for my kids. As you can see by the title, is kids haul video. So the other day I went out, so I decided to like stop by a shop called KIK. If you don't know KIK is a Germany shop. They also have online shop as well in case you don't have their shop close to where you stay. So they sell literally everything: male clothing, female clothing, kids and accessories, also decorations, literally everything. So if you want to check them out, you can like check their website, like I said before, in case you don't have their shop close to where you live. So you can check their website to know the kind of things they sell. And one thing about KIK is their things are so affordable. Like, they're so cheap. I remember when I first moved in Germany, I went to their shop and I was like, I don't think these things have quality, because I was judging the items based on the price of the things. So I remember I got some things, especially a tide, and that tide I got it for like €3.99, and up till now it's been more than 3 years, and that tide I still wear it. Sorry to say this, because I live on H&M, I shop on H&M, but most of the things I got from H&M, I washed them once and they're all worn out. Like, I'm not complaining, because most times I shop on sales, of course, so I don't really get them the actual price. Hence when they are worn out, I don't really complain that much. So if you're really looking for affordable things, if you are living in Germany, I think you should go check KIK out. Okay, like I said, they sell everything, they have everything for everybody, so go check them out. So I walked in there hoping to get some things for myself, but then I ended up shopping for my children, you know. So, and I noticed they are lacking some things, especially now the weather is changing. So like, I decided to get some things for them. So I'll go ahead and be showing you guys the things I got. I really want to rush this video. I don't want it to be super long, and of course my kids, they are already out playing, so hence there is no noise. So I want to just rush the video before they come in and you know, start their thing. You can notice I've been living on first caps these days, like seriously. For a long time now, should I say more than 1 month, I've not gotten a haircut. I'm planning to get that soon, so very soon you won't be seeing me on first cap, so please bear with me, okay? So number one thing I got is this little jumpsuit for my daughter. You can see it's so beautiful, and it has this pink design on it. I got it in size let me quickly check. I got this in size 7 to 8 years. She's 6 years old right now. You know, all these sizes, sometimes they are not true to size, and I don't really like getting things for my daughter her actual size, if you know what I mean, because you know, kids, they are growing like every day, and because she's the only girl, so I really want things I will get for her so that she can wear it a little longer, as there is no other person wearing it with her. So this, I got it in size 7 to 8 years, and this is for €4.99. Yeah, this is so good, and the material is so good and so appropriate for the summer. She can wear this outside to play, or even to kindergarten. Yeah. So another item I got is this short, and the color is gray, and this I got it for my older son. This is 8 to 9 years, and yeah, like I said, sometimes the sizes are smaller and sometimes the sizes are bigger. So this is 8 to 9 years old. Normally I can't really get 8 to 9 years old for him, because right now he's 8 years old, but you can see the short is, the size is bigger than what is written here, and I don't really mind at all, because he has two younger brothers that can wear it in case he outgrows it. So this is so okay. And another thing I got is this shirt. and it is color black. It's just a plain shirt, and this you can wear it with everything, especially with this short right here. And this, I also got this in size 8 to 10 years old. Another one I bought is this gown, denim gown. You can see it has this little knot here, and it's a short sleeve with a cut out here at the shoulder and a little button here at the back. And this I got it for €7.99, and this is in size 9 to 10 years old. The first one I got was a little bit smaller on her, so I had to like return it and change for a bigger size. And this is 140 cm, and this fits so well. Another thing I got is this top. Is a black color with this white and yellow designs on the front, and this is for €1.59, and the size is 8 to 10 years old. Yeah. The next thing I got is this jogger style kind of denim, and it has this rubber on the leg, and it has a pocket at the back. This I got it for my older son, but the size is small. I had to like get it because I really like the trousers, and it's a loose fit, but it's kind of small on him. He has already tested it, and this is like I said, it's small. I am 6 to 7 years old. Right now he's 8 years old. So I got this because the other sizes were sold out, but I had to get it. Maybe he can wear it once or twice, and then the other ones will start wearing it. So I'm really not mad about the size. So this one is okay. Another thing I got is a short, and this is for my younger son, and I got it in size 3 to 4 years old. Right now he's 4 years old, but yeah, the size is okay. You can see it's not that small. And this I got it for €3.99. So another thing I got is a denim, long denim. It's long all the way to the knee, and this was on sale. You can see before it was €9.99, but I got it for €5.99, and this is for my older son, and it's in size 8 to 9 years old. So this one is going to wear it for a long time. You can see it's quite long. And the next thing I got is another shirt, and this is black with all these stripes going on with a denim pocket here. And this one is size 8 to 10 years old, and this I got it for €3.99, and the material is so super soft and so appropriate for the summer. I really love it. And another thing I got is the same shirt with the other one I got for my older son, and it's just a plain shirt, nothing at all, just plain. And this I got it in size 3 to 6 years old. The next thing I got is this long sleeve with this shiny design on it. You can like roll it over and it brings out another kind of design. And you know, kids, they really love things like this. And this this was on sale. I got it for €1. It was €3.99 before. Another thing I got is this trouser. Is the material is so soft, and it's like a linen material, and it has this roll up button here where you can like fold the length over and button it here if you don't want to wear it long. So you can wear this in different ways, and this is size 6 to 7 years, and this was on sale. It was 15 euros 99 before, but I got it for 4 euros 99. Yeah, I really like it because the material is so soft, and this you can like pair it with a shirt, or you know, something like that, to go to maybe when they are doing party, or you know, now it's summer, but with the coronavirus thing, I don't really know if that is going to happen. Normally during summer they always have get-togethers, you know, kind of party, summer fest, you know, things like that. So the last but not the least item I got is a pair of slippers. You know, now it's summer, you can wear this to the beach, or you know, outside to play, you know, something like that. And these I got it for 2 euros 99. So guys, that is the end of this haul. If you really enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share my videos to your friends and families, tell them about my channel, and yes guys, I will see you guys on my next video.